Yeah, it's autumn. It's autumn. Now I've got a ruck of jobs I've got to get sorted today. There's loads of little bits and bobs. I've got some electrics that I've just got to finish off, because when I fitted the winch, I moved some of the electrics around inside. I've got some more stuff to do in and around there to tidy up the cabling. I've got to get the CB aerial fitted back on the rain guttering. I've also bought a back end for the Ifor Williams truck back, because it's winter time. I want to get something that's going to stop the rain going in. However, for some reason it doesn't quite fit, so I need to adjust the brackets. So I've got to get that bit sorted. And yeah, I've also bought, well, I've been supplied with a rain come snow cowl to go on the air vent, because what I've noticed is now it's getting really wet and damp. I'm getting a lot more moisture in the cab. Now I know some of that is down to a leak I've got around the windscreen, and I've got to get the seal replaced at some point, but a lot of it is coming through the heater matrix. So all these little jobs to try and get sorted today. Start off with the do the leveling of the truck back first of all. Gonna get, if I can get my spanners in there and crank him off. Oh, these are gonna get in there. We've got some movement. The problem is it's so flipping tight in here. I need some more pliers. Nicely. Oh yeah. There we go. One off. Both of these latches are out now, both sides. What I'm hoping that the hole is actually far enough down that I can have two holes and then move it as needed. I don't know, it's going to be tight on this one. Bit weight-willed. I like him. Just. I need to have this sticking further out a bit. I reckon 3 should do it. It pays, isn't it? It pays to just trial it. Ordinarily, I'd have gone straight on, full on, bull in a china shop, locked all of that up, and then I'd have been like, oh gosh, that's a positive pain in the posterior. Now I'm finding that my washers also need to be increased in diameter a little bit. Let's get them drilled out. Right, let's try them down again, see if that'll line up. Awesome. One down, one to go. That's going to be tricky. How am I going to manage you then? This rivet here is stopping my nut from going in where I need it to, which is about there. And I am not too far out, but it's still enough out to be a bit of a problem. It's these little things, yeah, you just have to sort of overcome them as you go. Let me show you what we got. If I can get it like that. Oh, I think I'm gonna have to adjust this hole up. Darn it! Okay, so before I lock it up fully, I'll just try it at that. Hey, how's that looking? Wow. Now, there is still going to be this gap that's above the bed and the top, but man, much better than this. This is what was on there, and didn't really stop a lot of rain. A lot of weather got in, a lot of weather. I might see about polishing this. But I do think there's a couple of other things I'm going to do with this. I'm probably going to put some work lights on the back because it is autumn / winter, and I'm going to need to get a bit lighter. And there we go. First bit done. Right, I had a bit of an interlude there. Yeah, it's Mrs. B's birthday, so we went for a swim. Well, not just a swim, sauna and a swim. That was something different. So this here behind me, that is that's a sauna. The idea being, get hot in the sauna, peg it down and swim in the water. Managed to get in there. God, blimey, a couple of times cold as, but back in the sauna, warmed up, toasty as now. That was fab. Now back to it. So I'm probably not going to get to do all the jobs I've wanted to do today, but I'm now just going to switch this out. So what I've got, all this is a cover. It's a bit scratched up already. I don't know how I've managed that. I've probably dropped some stuff on it, but this is going to sit over the top and just stop the rain from going inside of the heater matrix. It's just a bunch of screws. Take out the old ones, got some replacement ones that come with it. So I'm hoping it should be a really quick one. They don't seem to be very well locked in at all. There we go. Sure enough. Yeah, there's a bunch of water down there. Now, I reckon this one's going to be ideal. Got this little thing on the end. Should be able to work around and move some of that gunk about. But I will need to scrape it back out as well. That ain't going through. That's not good. Being this mucky, I'm putting a new thing on the top, can we? So they get this muck washed out a bit. Right then, so pour some water in. See if it drains. I don't know, I think it's just sitting there again. Right. Prodding poking thing. Let's get a cable tie in there. And there we go. Yep. That's got it. I'm going to get one more. I'm going to get one more bit of water down there. And just see. Right, if I can pour this whole jug of water in there and it goes, we're golden. Yep. We've even got a little bit of a whirlpool going on down there. Go on. Let's get this then plonked in. Superb. Use the supplied screws. Nothing wrong with the ones that were on there before, but if you got them, why not? Oh, that's interesting. Not only do they have the screws this time, but each one comes with a little tiny washer. I'll pop that over the top. I'm guessing you're not going to have as many screws, are you? Because there's not going to be as many holes revealed now. Makes sense. But you know what? Just in case I want to go back, I'm going to put some dummies into the ones I'm not going to get to. Just in case, because there's enough in the set, right? There's the same amount in the set as the ones that you take out. So look, I'm going to put these blanks in first. This one here and that one there are going to be covered by the new snow cowl, and it goes over the top like that. So just in case, I'm going to keep these ones for the future. Right, size 11 star bit then. Bob on. Right, rev that on. Cleanest thing on the car. Done. There it is. And now I can finish off the butternut squash soup. Lovely. Ah, autumn's good sometimes. Fab. Pleased with that. Now, what's cool about this is that the profile of it doesn't stick out. Doesn't stick out too much in comparison to the body, and certainly not in comparison to the wheel arches. Let's see if that will make a difference. It will certainly stop the amount of water going in there anyway, and hopefully help with the leaves and whatnot that's falling and junk getting in there and blocking up that drain hole. So if the event that I do end up going through water, hopefully it's just water that ends up in there and it'll wash it through again. Sorted. Right, see if we can do the CB aerial before we run out of light. Down in the guttering where I had fitted the CB aerial mount, it's actually ended up drilling through into the guttering. So I've got an idea to fix that, and what I'm going to use is this. What I'm thinking is I'm just going to take this beer can and I'm going to create strips, or maybe just cut and then fold it over, fold it over, fold it over, so I can use it as something to reinforce where I'm going to mount to. And then under that, between this and the guttering, bit of rubber, stop the slippage. I reckon that'll work. It's a bit of experimentation, but I reckon that'll do the job. Proper job. Very nice beer, by the way. My favourite. Not sponsored. Wish I would be sponsored. Yeah, it's an Austell brewery. Hey, sponsorship. Hey, that'd be good. No, I'm not doing that sort of thing. Especially not after the last interaction I had with a company. It's not worth it. Anyway, back to making my strips. I've got my gloves on because this aluminium is going to be sharp as a bugger. Right, so how big the thing is we're going to make. Here's the new heavy duty jobby, and you can see this is like a beastie. Much stronger joints around here. You see the casting there, much thicker, because the other one just broke off at the bottom. just straight along that line there. But this is all like reinforced and ridged and goodness knows. So hopefully this one is going to be way more substantial. Brilliant. So the sharp edge goes inside, and then I'll just fold him over, and then that's a proper job, isn't it? Hey? See, now should be able to rest on that, sandwiched into the guttering. Job's a good one. Right, let's get him up there. Try and put him together. That's going to sit in there. I don't know. Amazing what stuff comes back in useful. That one on there, that one underneath. In fact, before I do lock him up, I'm going to make sure, better make sure that I can still open the door, hadn't I? Because that would be a bit of a pain in the posterior. Sure enough, yet that rubber isn't going to work. Glad I trialled it. And then that should give enough clearance. Let's try it that way. There we go. Now it looks like the truck I remember I wanted as a kid. Look at that thing, it's bonkers. Up into the trees. So that should now allow me to do that when I need to get through trees. Awesome. This is so going to get nicked. I'll see it now. Because somebody could just undo a wing nut. I hope not, but yeah. Maybe I ought to put it around the other way. Don't know. I don't know that I'm going to have enough light because it's 4 o'clock now and it's getting dark, quite dark. Blooming winter. It slows everything down.